Hi, what's up, everyone? In this video, we are going to talk about the top best Octopi camera you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon. Octopi cameras have quickly become a popular choice for both professional and amateur photographers. These cameras provide a one-of-a-kind experience for capturing moments in stunning detail, thanks to their small size, high image quality, and advanced features. However, with so many options available, determining which Octopi camera is the best fit for your needs can be difficult. In this video, we'll look at some of the best Octopi cameras on the market, comparing their features and benefits to help you find the best camera for your needs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, our top picks for the best Octopi cameras on the market today have you covered. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5. WYZE Cam Pan. The WYZE Cam Pan V2 is a compact, sleekly designed home security camera that costs just under $50 and comes with the option of paying for a $1.99 per month WYZE Cam Plus cloud storage subscription. The Plus subscription includes continuous recording, package detection, and no inter-recording delay. The camera's 1080p HD video is crisp and clear, and it has color night vision and an extra long cord, making it simple to position the camera in the ideal location. The camera also has pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities, as well as the ability to pan up and down, which is a notable feature. It detects both motion and sound using IFTTT technology. The only real disadvantage is the limited cloud storage without a subscription. Overall, it is a dependable and reasonably priced security camera with a plethora of features. Pros of WYZE Cam Pan. Fast, easy setup and friendly service. Pro 360-degree pan. Pro free cloud storage. Cons of WYZE Cam Pan. Limited cloud storage options. Short customer service hours. On number 4. Microsoft LifeCam. The LifeCam Cinema allows users to enjoy high-quality 720p HD widescreen video and crystal-clear audio. Its true color technology automatically sharpens images and adjusts exposure for bright, vibrant footage, while the high-precision glass lens enhances picture quality even in low-light conditions. The camera also features face tracking for vivid video, premium sound recording, and a 360 degrees rotation for capturing and sharing everything in glorious HD. On number 3. EMEET C960 Web Camera. The EMEET C960 webcam is a straightforward, user-friendly device that offers excellent value for money. It offers full HD video quality, a wide field of view, and 2 built-in omnidirectional mics with noise reduction, making it an excellent choice for those who only need a webcam for routine tasks like Zoom calls. It's simple to assemble, and the tripod thread provides maximum versatility. The EMEET C960 does have some drawbacks, such as the lack of an integrated privacy cover and the fact that it only has a USB-A connection. The image quality of the camera is sharp and detailed enough for video conferencing, and it produces vibrant colors with well-balanced exposures. The camera works with both Windows and Mac operating systems. When using the camera in dimly lit rooms, it is recommended that you let in as much light as possible. Pros of EMEET C960 web camera. Plus good value. Plus plug-and-play operation. Plus tripod thread. Cons of EMEET C960 web camera. No inbuilt privacy cover. USB-A only. On number 2. Logitech C920x. Despite being a decade old, the Logitech C920x webcam is still widely used and regarded as one of the best webcams available. Its video quality, mounting options, and low price make it an excellent option for content creators and remote workers. The C920x comes in several variants, including the C920, C920S, and C920E, but the differences are minor. However, the software is difficult to use and requires a lot of external light to produce the best image quality. The webcam is also lightweight and has a video resolution of 1080p 30 frames per second, but it requires a lot of external light to produce the best image quality. The C920x works well with NVIDIA Broadcast, and while it isn't a perfect substitute for true shallow depth of field, it is a significant improvement over its infinity focus. The C920X is a good buy because of its low price and high quality, but there are newer options on the market. Pros of Logitech C920X. Low cost. Decent video quality, though not quite crystal clear HD video. 1080p 30 frames per second. Cons of Logitech C920X. The monitor clamp will overlap the screen on modern, small bezel monitors. See first image. Can't be panned left or right when using the monitor mounting method. Software is finicky. On number 1. NexiGo N660P. The NexiGo N660P is a 1080p autofocus webcam with automatic white balance and exposure control. It has dual stereo microphones to reduce background noise and can rotate 360 degrees to adjust the angle. The webcam has a 90-degree viewing angle and records or streams at 60 frames per second in 1080p, making it ideal for Zoom meetings or one-on-one web chats. It includes a 6.5-foot cable and a built-in sliding privacy shutter. The webcam is compatible with a variety of operating systems and does not require any additional software or drivers. The autofocus is faster than on most Logitech cameras, and the microphone captures good sound. The NexiGo N660P is a good alternative to the Logitech C920x for Discord video calls, Zoom meetings, and live streaming on YouTube or Twitch. The NexiGo N950 Pro is an unreviewed 4K webcam from the same manufacturer. So guys, this was the video about the best Octopi camera. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.